Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 212 or Corruption of Public Officials. Under Article 212, corruption of public officials is committed by any person who shall have made the offers or promises or given the gifts or presents as described in Articles 210, 211, and 211-A. Ito yung crime ng nagbigay ng gift, promise, or present or reward sa direct, indirect, at qualified bribery. Upang maging liable sa crime na ito, may dalawa itong elements. First, offender makes offers or promise or gives gifts or presents to a public officer. And second, the offers or promises are made or the gifts or presents are given to a public officer under circumstances that will make the public officer liable for direct or indirect or qualified bribery. Paano pag di tinanggap yung consideration? The crime committed is attempted corruption of public official. Paano naman pag tinanggap yung consideration? The public officer will be liable for direct, indirect, or qualified bribery, depending on the other circumstances of the case. The giver or bribe giver will be liable for consummated corruption of public officials. So, dalawa ang liable dito, yung giver at yung receiver. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.